Today we're building the Creator build. It's featuring a 7950X3D. We're using ASUS's ProArt system. We love this beautiful aesthetic that ASUS is doing with these boards and with these cards. The beautiful sleek black anodized aluminum with the gold touches looks absolutely killer. We've got a 2 terabyte NVMe drive. We have 64 gigabytes of RAM. It's going all in the beautiful Lian 216RX, which is all blacked out. And we're cooling it with the brand new Be Quiet Pure Loop 2, which is a new cooler coming over from Be Quiet, paired with the RTX 4070 Ti. Let us know what you think down below in the comments.
3, 2, 1 with a thunk.